Hello, hope you are doing great. So today I'm showing you the demonstration of the AI powered chatbot that I built. In this, I have used the tech stack like backend, Django, frontend, HTML Bootstrap. Database I use SQLite that can be upgraded to PostgreSQL. And for the vector database, I use two FAISS and Pinecone. And for the LLM, I'm using OpenAI also and the Hugging Face transformers also. For the authentications, I'm using Django AllAuth. For the file handling, I'm using media storage of Django. So let's jump into the first of all code. I will share you the code. A simple Django projects. So basically, starting with the projects, then I have created some applications, my doc and settings. I'm using the templates, base templates, HTML and bootstraps. I'm making a utils files for handling Pinecone and FAISS and LLM. So in the Pinecone also you can see I'm using build and save Pinecone index. So I'm making the embedding of the content and then uploading it to the Pinecone, and then obviously searching from the Pinecone also. Same things I'm doing it with the FAISS also. So build and save the FAISS index for the content, and then obviously searching for the FAISS. I'm using file readings from TXT, docs or PDF. So the user can upload any of these files and it will get rendered, or the content, we will extract the content from that and make the embeddings and save it into the vector database as an index. So we are using two LLM handlers to get the answers, OpenAI and Hugging Face. From both of these, we can get the answers. So using the SQLites. So jump into the demonstrations. So first of all, I will log in with my account. Okay, so there is a configuration page here. That configuration page basically, I have integrated two or multiple vector database, multiple LLM also. So there is the choice for the user to choose. They can choose FAISS or Pinecone. So if they are using Pinecone, they have to provide me their own API key so that the indexes will be created on their databases. So it is not like I'm only using the user can also give us their API key and we will upload there also. So for this, I'm using the FAISS. Then there is a two option, OpenAI and Hugging Face. For both, we have LLM API key. We need the API key if user is using OpenAI or Hugging Face. So this is very interesting about chatbot. This is like I can name that, I can share the URL with my clients as an user. With my client I can share the URL so they can ask any questions based on my knowledge base. So my chatbot will answer the questions according to the knowledge base. So let's suppose I change this to chatbot hyphen testing, or anything else also, test also I can do. Submit. The content library is the content where we will uploading the content. We can upload, as I show you, TXT docs or PDF files. So it will extract, make the embeddings and save it into the databases. Maybe we can upload multiple docs or PDF files here. But to show the users what kind of files we have extracted or what content we have extracted, we are showing a view my trained content also. This is where we are just showing one documents or two chats which we already asked for this chatbot. So earlier you can see about chatbot, the URL is working, but right now this URL will not work. The URL will work bot string username or bot name. That is the public URL that I can share with my clients. So with my client I have shared the URL. So it is showing to my client that this is a chatbot test powered by Bhavya. So I will name it anything. What is? So from the content, maybe I will check and ask something. Vector database. What vector database you are using? Ask the questions. So it is showing us FAISS local and Pinecone cloud. So because I have updated this into my content doc files, so it gets the answers. And similarly, I can share this with my clients, so they can ask their questions about my chatbot that I have created. So this is a sample thing. I have created this sample project to showcase my knowledge about the different LLMs, different vector database, and obviously Django, Python, and extracting that information from the PDF files. So this is not projects for any clients. This is my own. Hopefully you like this, and we can work together. Thank you so much. Bye.